single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey, what's up guys? Over here Homestead Bayfront Park. Just wanted to show you guys real quick the freaking tide. Check this out, this is so cool. See this shit? Make sure it's not fogging up. Look at that. Look at this. This is ocean water. There might actually be some bait fish up in those mangroves right now. It's wild, dude. All right, fish on. Gotta wait till 9 in the morning. Came too early. It's all good though. Morning, everybody. All right, park's open. Let me take my face mask down so it doesn't sound all muzzled. Beautiful day. Got a little bit of a current. Looking good. Water looks clear. Tide's nice and high. Should be having a nice rip around. Oh, what? Never mind. Looks like it's happening already. Let's go. Almost, buddy. Almost. Let's see what we got down here. All right, well, back to what I was saying. Conditions look great. I think that other line's getting ripped on. I gotta stop this or keep going. What's going on? Oh shit. I think that's a good pull. Yeah, that one's pulling line. All right, let's get this started, guys. There go my rod. All right. Nope. Ran off with it. All right. We got a good bite going on. Little cuda. Little cuda. All right. Let's get this thing off my freaking hook. Look at that, guys. Little cuda. That's the cuda I just caught. He's just chilling. He's looking to get another meal. That's hilarious. Oh, do I got a bite? I got something going on over here. Possibly. All right. Let's see what happens. Nope. Not a keeper, guys, but we're catching mangroves. Targeted species. Yes, sir. All right. Hey, GoPro, stop recording. Bien. There we go. One more. Little baby. Little baby. Bye-bye. Hey guys, missed the action, but I caught it. All right, fish on. Say hi, Lucas. Yeah, those are the mullets. That's the mullet run that I was telling you about. All the fish, all the bait fish come in. Well, mullet come running from the north, from the Carolinas down to Florida. Super cool. That's why I wanted the net. Not a keeper. Got another one. All right. All right. Let's let you go and do that again. Beautiful. Bye-bye. All right. Look at this one. Beautiful little mangrove. I got you, buddy. Snap, snap. Only one keeper so far, guys. Let's see how far we got it in there. Oh, no, we're good. Pull it right out.